Meteorologist Jeff Castle with 31 Triple Doppler.
Well, we are certainly happy we're not dealing with any tornado outbreaks this time of year.
Oh, no, absolutely. We could still see that this time of year, and although we do have some storms coming in Thursday, right now it doesn't look like a tornado setup. So
that's really
some good news for us, absolutely. It is going to be our next weather maker, though, that we're tracking, so let's kind of talk about it. Cold front, upper level storm system moving on through. It's going to be our best chance for rain that we are going to see this week, so expect that coming in Thursday. And we may have some wet weather sticking around Friday and perhaps into Saturday as well. And again, some strong storms are a possibility, but widespread significant severe weather at this point in time looks unlikely. Latest severe weather outlook for Thursday does include most of North Alabama and all of southern Middle Tennessee. Risk level, though, right now is low. Level 1 on our scale of 1 to 5. So again, this doesn't necessarily look like it's going to be a big deal, but still, it's important to stay weather aware, have a way to get alerts just in case a strong thunderstorm heads in your direction. These are the threats we're monitoring, and again, the tornado potential right now looks unlikely. Key ingredient for that, wind shear in the atmosphere, that is going to be lacking. But we will have plenty of warmth, plenty of humidity out there, instability as we call it, and that could contribute to some stronger storms that could potentially produce some wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour and some hail, maybe up to quarter size. Those threats remain low, but they are there nonetheless, and we will be watching closely as storms roll through on Thursday, and of course keeping you updated between now and then with any new information that comes on in that would suggest something otherwise than the way it's looking right now. Wait 31 Triple Doppler, what you see out there, not precipitation, it is ground clutter as a result of kind of the makeup of the atmosphere right now, fooling the radar. Future radar not showing any precip, although there will be some patches of clouds as we take you overnight tonight and on into your Wednesday morning. Very similar weather tomorrow to what we saw today, so that means some cloud cover at times, but also some sunshine breaking through as well. We'll be partly cloudy at the lunch hour tomorrow, and as far as rain goes, you know, I won't rule out an isolated shower. We had a couple of those that tried to go up in Coleman County a little bit earlier today. We might see something over Sand Mountain tomorrow, but the odds that you are going to get rained on Wednesday look to be pretty low for most of us. If anything does pop, it's daytime heat driven, so as we lose that tomorrow evening, any chance for a shower goes away. Cloud cover fills back in early Thursday morning with likely a dry start. And then here we go, heading into Thursday afternoon. We'll stop this around 2 o'clock. Some widely scattered to isolated shower and thunderstorm activity starting in the shoals and then advancing eastward with time through the afternoon hours. And again, a few of these storms could pack a little bit of a punch as they roll on through. We do expect the threat to decrease as everything moves into Sand Mountain towards the end of the day. And as we work our way on into your Thursday night, getting you back temporarily to dry weather, and then likely seeing some additional rain and storms coming through later in the day on Friday. These are your lows tonight, falling back into the low in the mid-60s. Tomorrow, we're going to warm up even with the cloud cover. South wind around 10 miles per hour should put us back into the 80s. 81 degrees around the noon hour, and we'll make it into the mid-80s, maybe even some upper 80s for your highs tomorrow. Huntsville, Decatur, Moulton, 87, 88 in Muscle Shoals, 85 Fayetteville and Scottsboro, and 83 degrees tomorrow over in Fort Payne. A little muggy out there as well. Checking things out here on your Wait 31 Storm Tracker 10-day. Again, Thursday, showers and storms, and perhaps another round coming up on your Friday as well. Temperatures will ease back closer to 80 to close out the week. Cold front will move through. Right now, perhaps delayed a little bit, so we have included a rain chance on Saturday, mainly in the morning hours. Otherwise, we see those temperatures dropping off with several days only in the low to mid 70s, and some morning lows getting down into the 50s over the weekend and into early next week. We're back in the 80s again by the middle of next week, and after the stormy weather that we see Thursday and Friday, and maybe a little rain into Saturday as well, should be a stretch of some drier conditions coming up as we close out the weekend and take you on into next week.
All right, Jeff, it's not a bad looking forecast overall.
Overall, not too bad. And again, that severe weather threat Thursday right now doesn't look major, but a couple stronger thunderstorms on the way, but certainly not looking too terribly bad in that